Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to create a business account on Facebook. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for business.facebook.com/overview. So let's go for it. Make sure you are logged in with your Facebook. Now click on create an account. Now enter your business name and enter your email address. And click on submit. Now we need to confirm our email address. Click on done. Now confirm it. So now we are in our business account. Now you can create post and go further. So this is all we can do to create a business account. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.